Right, we're gonna jump right into this. We're gonna hook y'all up with some vegan fried chicken. Gonna start off with the brine. I'm gonna get a large bowl. Mix all of my ingredients in. 3 oyster mushrooms. There's my seasoning, the family picture. Start off with some balsamic vinegar. The vinegar is going to break down the tissue in the mushrooms as well as the pickle juice. Then we'll go with the liquid amino. You can also use soy sauce, but I like the liquid amino. It's a little bit smokier. Then we'll drop some essentials in there. All right, we're going to use the ground mustard as a bonding agent since we are not using eggs. There's a little bit of acidity with the lemon juice. Coconut milk was outside smoking, so he did not make the family photo. That's going to round everything out. Put that in the fridge, let it marinate. Then we'll go to our dry batter. All right, there's the family photo. There's all your seasonings. I'm gonna go use some flour. Dump all of our seasonings in there. Paprika was outside, getting high with the coconut milk, so he missed the family photo. Mix that up. All right, here's our wet dredge. Really simple, little to no calories, and it's gonna stick well even without the egg whites. Gonna take a commercial break for vegetables. All right, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, 300 degrees, 20 to 22 minutes. Then we're gonna do our cauliflower here. Drop it in with your seasonings, some oil, and the rest of our brine. Now what you came here for, pull that out of the fridge. Okay. Make sure you get in all the crevices. I went fast, but make sure you take your time and get a really good stick on. You can double dredge them if you want, but I didn't, and you can see I got a pretty good crust on mine. It's time to drop the birds in the bath. The first thing that you dredge is the first one that goes in. Cook it till it's golden brown. Don't touch it as much as I did. You got what you want right there. Is we finished or is we done? Plate that up for the people whose food can't touch and those who can. Money shot. Appreciate it.